Hey everybody, I'm Heath with DoMyOwn. Today we're going to talk about how to get rid of moss in your lawn. To prevent moss in your yard, you need to make sure that when you do a soil sample that your pH is in that neutral zone, in between a 6 and a 7. To do the soil sample, you'll need a couple items. One being a soil probe. If you have that, you'll just go through and push in the plug and remove that core and put it into a sample bag. You'll do that from multiple spots throughout the yard, or you'll take a hand shovel and do the same exact thing, digging a few inches deep, removing that soil and placing it in the bag. Once you've received your soil sample back and it's saying that your pH is low, it's a good idea to go ahead and put that limestone down so that the fertilizers that you're putting on the plant can actually process those throughout the growing season. Another thing to do is to make sure that you have good air circulation. So if you have trees that are growing low branches, limb those up to allow more air circulation. And in addition, doing an aeration. That's going to break up the soil compaction and alleviate a lot of that moss. Most importantly though is the pH of the lawn. Another reason for having moss in the lawn is due to the lack of sunlight. Usually you can determine that if it's around a bed area or underneath a tree. You can usually extend that bed line to create a natural area, or you can limb up that tree to allow more sunlight to get to that area to eliminate that moss. If you already have moss in the lawn, there's several different products that you can use to remove that moss. Depending on the product that you use, you may need a spreader to broadcast that out, or you may need a sprayer to spray those areas. Then once you've done that and the moss has died, you'll need a rake to remove that dead moss, and then also collect those clippings into a trash or into a compost bin. And if you like this video, please click the subscribe button and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.